As a couple looking out to invest in real estate together, these are the three basic things you have to ensure that is correct and intact before you make payments together. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Esther and I help you buy safe and genuine properties in Abuja. And right now we came here for inspection for one of our C of O FCDA properties that is quite affordable, and I decided to do this video. But aside that, I realized that one of the challenges couples face when they want to buy property are the questions I'm about to answer. So I think you should hang on and stay right with me as I talk about this video. So the first thing you have to come in agreement with is, what are we going to achieve with this property we are paying for? It's necessary that as couples coming together to buy that property, you are in agreement of what the property is supposed to help you achieve. For example, are you buying this property to build your future house, or are you buying it that eventually you can sell it off in the future? There should be an agreement which will help also synergize as the payment is being made. The second thing you have to also come in agreement with is, are we coming in together with our monies? I've seen men, husbands, buy properties for their wives and the property is in their wife's name. I've also seen men buy properties and the property is in their name. It also means that there is an agreement. All right, so as a couple, you want to buy, you agree if the property is coming in our names together, or are we bringing in our finances together? Are we doing 60-40? Are we doing 50-50 and all that? Because I have to be sincere with you. The basic fear why couples do not like buying properties together is, what if the marriage annuls tomorrow? What happens to the property, right? Yes, I have to be sincere with you. I have to tell you the challenges that couples face before they make their payment. The reason why I'm also sharing this is that I had that inquiry, all right, from a prospect who reached out to me and was asking me these basic questions, and that is what led me to doing this video. So let's come in agreement that if we are paying for this property is 50-50, eventually if we decide to sell it, whatever amount we sell it, we split the money 50-50 or 60-40 as the case may be, right? Yes, but as God also leads the couple, you can eventually sell that property tomorrow and that money is everywhere and you guys are all happy. Everybody is happy, right? The third and the final thing you should know when you want to buy the property together is, there's absolutely nothing wrong with couples coming together to buy that property, and there's also nothing wrong when couples also, maybe the husband or the wife, as the case may be, decide to buy individually. The essence of this is that there is transparency and there is key. It helps for growth and for structure when it comes to investment. All right, my name is Esther, like I rightly said, and I help you buy properties together as a couple in the right way. So if you've been considering investing in real estate as a couple, this is that video you've been waiting for such a long time. Reach me on the number showing on your screen and I'll help you both buy that property together. We've done it in the past and we are still doing it. Husbands and wife have bought properties together, and when they eventually sell it, they can decide to split the money or use the money for something, a greater goal. All right, friends can come together and buy property with their names all intact in the document, you see, so that tomorrow when you decide to sell that property, you can share the money equally. All right, one of the fascinating thing about this property is that it's the very most affordable FCDA C of O title in Abuja. Trust me, for a 150 square meters is going for 13 million naira. You can't find this anywhere, and given the fact that it's an FCDA and it's also a C of O property, all right, and it's located in Kiami. Kiami is one of the finest places in Abuja. Take a look at the environment, take a look at the houses already over there. All right, this is the road, and just from here to the entrance is like 60 seconds drive. All right, there's a livable estate by that road, and this is the phase 1 of Starlight 2 estate that is being sold out. This is sold out, and this is the Starlight 2. All right, so reach me on the number showing on your screen right now. Let me help you secure this property. The good thing about this property also is that you can buy in bulk. All right, you can buy in bulk, and the bigger or the higher in square meters, the better the money in the future. reach me on the number showing on screen. Let me help you get started on this amazing real estate opportunity. Till I come your way again, stay safe and keep on investing in real estate. Bye.